All right, guys, Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, back at you again with another video with Jake from FASS. Jake, thanks for coming out today. I really appreciate it. Today we are talking about FASS's heater kit solutions for about all of their products available on their catalog. Jake, tell me more about the differences in these two kits that you guys offer.
You bet, yeah. So at the end of the day, these kits were designed to work together if you want the ultimate winter weather package, thawing that gelled fuel, making sure your truck runs reliably in the cold season. We have the heater probe kit, which installs right on the T-block, comes with its own harness, lets that gelled fuel heat up, and you can wire it so that it comes on with accessory power. You can wire it to a toggle switch. However you want to set your heater up to thaw out that gelled fuel, you can do it with the heater probe kit. And then we also have our high output heater disc kit, which actually attaches just above the filter. Same principle, these are both thermostatically controlled, so they kick on when you need them and they turn back off when you don't.
That's awesome. And we get a lot of questions on social media from you guys that live in colder climates. And this is definitely going to be a solution that you're going to want to explore, whether it be the disc kit or the probe kit. Both are going to be beneficial for your truck. Jake, tell me more about the real world application. Like, where have you guys seen guys in Alaska using these things?
Sure. Yeah, so these are really popular, again, across our Drop-In, Industrial Series, and Titanium Signature Series systems. Installation is pretty darn straightforward. With the probe kit, the cool thing about the probe kit is these are expandable, so you can add in an additional probe if you want to. The heater disc kit is a great standalone unit. You can't go wrong either way. Again, if you live in those more extreme climates where you're dealing with colder weather throughout the year, or maybe things just get really cold in winter, you can combine them all. You can do 2 probes and a heater disc, and that will provide the maximum fuel thawing power.
FASS has been around for 20 plus years, guys. They're a tried and true brand. I mean, we run titaniums on all of our trucks that we build here at Diesel Power Products. You absolutely need one of these kits in your truck if you're living in a colder climate. And best of all, we've got these things in stock, ready to rock on the shelf for you. If you guys are looking for these things, hit the link in our description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. We'll help you get exactly what you need for your truck.